Today I want to show you how to do a 1/3 right cross and a 1/3 left cross cable so that we can get this beautiful design like we have on these flat knit socks that are on the blog. They're really, really fun to do, especially if you're afraid of socks. Sometimes it's okay to start with something that's flat if you're a little bit worried about working in the round. So let's get started on this cute little swatch here. What you will need today is a cable needle. Now this can be done without a cable needle, but today I want to show you what it's like with a cable needle, especially if you're new to cabling. So we will knit until the point where we need to do our crossover. So using these next 4 stitches, I want to go ahead and do a 1/3 right cross. In order to do this, we'll take our cable needle and we'll slip the first 3 stitches onto a cable needle, and then we will let them hang out in the back. So you can bring your yarn in front of that cable needle, and those 3 stitches will be hanging out on the cable needle in the back. Then we knit 1, and now we will go back to the cable needle and we will knit the 3 from the cable needle. And that completes the 1/3 right cross. Now we will go on to the 1/3 left cross. For this one, we will take our cable needle and slip 1 to the cable needle and leave it in front. Then we will knit the next 3. And now we will knit the 1 from the cable needle. And that completes the 1/3 left cross. And then you just continue on with your work. And it creates that beautiful design. So let's see the 1/3 right cross again. Take your needle and place 3 stitches onto the cable needle and hold that in the back. Now knit the next stitch and now knit the 3 from the cable needle. And that's the 1/3 right cross. And now for the 1/3 left cross. Take your cable needle and slip 1 stitch to the cable needle and let it hang out in front. Knit the next 3. And now knit the 1 from the cable needle. And that completes the 1/3 left cross. And then you just continue on.